Hello everyone, welcome to React learning course. In this video we will talk about rendering lists and conditional content in React. This means we can render something to the DOM conditionally. Like if I click on this button, this all component should be hide. If I click again, this all component will be show in React. So how we can to do this, or how we can to show something conditionally in React application? Let's start. First tip, here we have three components. First, I want to move this to inside one div. Cut this component and move inside to the div. And now I want to change this switch state handler to switch condition. When we click on this button, condition will be switched. And now copy this name and create another method here. I want to create arrow function like this. And now I want to create first another property for state method. Here we have state method, one property person, and the second property will be show person. Equal to false, Boolean expression. And now come on here and write here in the body of this function, new const by name does show equal to this dot state dot show person. And the second one will be set state to change state method. This dot set state and write here show person equal to not does show, to convert this show state. If this show was false, show person will be equal to true. If this show was true, show person state will be false. And now come on here and use if you want to use JavaScript and this React, we need to use curly braces here. Two curly braces, and to move this div inside to this, and after this use ternary expression like this dot state dot show person. If this state was equal to true, then execute this body. And I want to use else part also. If this show was not true or was false, then execute null, nothing. And now save this code, move to browser. Okay, here we don't have any output. Okay, here from components, just click on switch state button. Okay, here we have three output from three component. We can use conditional and React application for rendering something, for rendering content to the DOM like this. Thank you for watching.